Alright, listen up guys. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's rarely discussed but absolutely crucial if you're a web developer. The truth about web development no one told you. So buckle up, because this is going to change how you see your career. First off, let's talk about the myth of the perfectly coded website. You've probably heard that every line of code must be flawless. That's nonsense. Real-world coding is messy. You're always refactoring, debugging, and yes, sometimes even hacking together solutions. And that's okay. The key is to keep improving. Next, the tools. There's always a hot new framework or library. Angular, React, Vue. The list goes on. But here's the kicker. Tools don't make you a better developer. Mastering the fundamentals does. Understanding the core principles will make you adaptable to any new tech that comes your way. Now let's get real about job titles. Junior, senior, full stack, front end, back end. Titles are just that, titles. What truly matters is your ability to solve problems. Employers are looking for developers who can think critically and adapt quickly to new challenges. Another truth bomb: work-life balance. Web development can be demanding, but don't let it consume you. Burnout is real and it's brutal. Set boundaries, take breaks, and keep your mental health in check. Remember, you're more than just your code. One more thing, the imposter syndrome. At some point, every developer feels like a fraud. Trust me, even the best in the industry have their doubts. The trick is to keep learning and pushing through. Growth comes from challenges, not comfort zones. And finally, the community. Web development isn't a solo journey. Engaging with the community can open doors to new opportunities, ideas, and friendships. So don't hesitate to ask for help or share your knowledge. Summing it all up, web development is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the chaos, keep learning, and stay connected. You're not just building websites, you're building your career. And that, my friends, is the truth no one told you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy coding.